Hi, this is Christine Hill, and I'm here to walk you through making a teardrop shape in CSS. I've already created a div and given it the class name teardrop, and then in the CSS I have a rule here started for the teardrop shape. I've already put in an absolute position at top 150 pixels by left 150 pixels, and I just did that to bring it close out further into the center of the screen so it's easier to see. We start by creating the shape of our box that we want it to be. It needs to be square, and so I'm just going to do 200 pixels by height of also 200 pixels. And then to be able to see it, it needs a color, so we're going to give it aqua. Seemed like it good for a teardrop shape. Okay, so now that gives us a square. We want one of these corners of the square to point straight up to be the top of our teardrop. So we're going to use the transform property and rotate that box by -45 degrees. And then add the transform origin, top center. Okay, now the real magic comes with the border radius. And in this case, because we've rotated it, our first value is going to affect the, well, it affects the corner on the left until if we put all the percentages in here. And there we go. Okay, so you'll see that I used 145 degrees. I've discovered that you could make kind of a wider curve with that. But for the bottom, I'm going to change that to 120. Give that a little bit rounder shape. So the more bigger you go, the wider it gets. So that kind of makes a good teardrop shape too. But for my purposes, 120 made kind of an elongated, drippy looking shape. We could even make it a little more so by making it 155, 155, 120 with the 0 on the top. And that is my teardrop shape. Thanks for watching.